Well, the Benson family feud continues. Saints and Pelicans owner Tom Benson wants a judge to toss a motion filed by his ostracized family members that claims he is not competent to make decisions when running both teams.
That's right. WDSU News reporter Travers Mackel is live at the Smoothie King Center with reaction from two of the biggest names in New Orleans basketball and how they say this sticky ownership situation is affecting them.
That's right, Adriana. Both Anthony Davis and Ryan Anderson tell us they realize what's going on, but they're well aware of the fact that while they battle opponents right here on the hardwood, the team that owns, or the family that owns the team that they play for, will do battle inside the courtroom.
Well, I have 2 tickets to tomorrow night's game for everyone in here.
NBA superstar Anthony Davis was all smiles at his charity event for kids at a local bowling alley tonight. Focused on his team on the court, the power forward is well aware of the power struggle going on off the hardwood between members of the Benson family.
You know, worrying about that, my focus right now is making these kids happy. This is the event that I'm focusing on, and you know, that's going to take care of itself. The Bensons do so much for us, and they're great people, and they don't get that situated.
Sharpshooter Ryan Anderson says the team has tried to stay isolated from the messy situation.
I don't know really any of the details other than things that I've read, and you know, we really haven't talked about it as a staff or as a team, so I'm just leaving it up to the people that need to make those decisions to make those decisions.
Tuesday afternoon, Benson and his legal team filed this motion asking Judge Kern Reese to toss out the petition filed by his daughter Renee and grandkids Rita and Ryan. That legal filing claims Tom Benson is not of sound mind and can't run both teams. A claim made after Benson announced he's leaving both organizations to his wife Gail, cutting out the other 3. Benson's 24-page filing says the 3 do not cite any medical reasons as to why he's not competent. The filing also says the 3 have failed to allege sufficient facts to state a valid cause of action for the extreme remedy of an interdiction of Mr. Benson. Legal analysts say the filing was expected.
They're going to file everything that's necessary to protect their client's interests.
As for Anthony Davis, who's coming up on contract talks in which he stands to potentially make tens of millions of dollars. Does that weigh in your decision at contract time?
I'm not worried about that right now. You know, like I said, you know, we're worried about winning.
And legal analyst Robert Jenkins tells us that if this does turn into a legal mess, it could last months, if not years. Reporting on your side at the Smoothie King Center, I'm Travers Mackel, WDSU News.